Thinking of becoming pregnant? Schedule an obstetrics appointment. Hello, friend. Thinking about having a baby? Congratulations on making such a big decision. Before you start shopping for cribs and strollers, you should schedule a chat with your healthcare provider to make sure you start your journey to parenthood on the right foot. Part of the preparation is making a list of questions to ask an OB-GYN provider before getting pregnant. But before you continue, friend, answer my question. Do you want to know more about a healthy lifestyle, proper nutrition, and body care? Then be sure to watch other videos on our channel, which contain a lot of useful information that you didn't know. New videos appear every day. Don't forget to turn on notifications and subscribe to our channel. Only you can decide to change your life. Also, in the description under the video, you will find the best products for beauty and health. Now we continue further. Obstetricians are the medical professionals who care for women during pregnancy. As such, you might assume there's no reason to see an obstetrician unless you are pregnant. But this is not entirely the case. There is one time when you really need to schedule an obstetrician appointment in spite of not being pregnant, and that is when you are starting to think about becoming pregnant. What you need to schedule, in this case, is called a preconception checkup or a pre-pregnancy exam. Here's what will generally happen during such an appointment. A pelvic exam. If you recently had a pelvic exam, your obstetrician may skip this part. But otherwise, they will want to take a look and feel your ovaries and uterus to see whether there are any signs of conditions that might make it hard for you to become pregnant. For example, they might detect endometriosis, the growth of uterine tissue outside of the uterus, or fibroid, growths on the ovaries that may make ovulation less regular. While it can be troubling to find out you have any of these conditions, it is easier to learn this before you've spent months struggling to become pregnant. Many of these conditions are treatable, and your obstetrician can recommend the treatment that is most likely to make it easier for you to conceive. Discussion of health history. Your obstetrician will talk to you about any health problems you currently struggle with or have struggled with in the past. They'll let you know how these conditions may affect your pregnancy or your efforts to become pregnant. Make sure you are thorough and honest when discussing your health history with the doctor. Blood tests. Your obstetrician will likely also order some blood tests. They'll want to look at your blood sugar levels to ensure you are not diabetic, as that can make pregnancy harder on the mother and child if not managed well. They may also make sure your nutrient levels are sufficient. If you do seem to be deficient in certain nutrients, they will likely recommend supplements in addition to a prenatal multivitamin. They might suggest waiting to conceive for an extra month or two until your levels of those nutrients are corrected. In addition to the services above, your obstetrician can also discuss any concerns you have about pregnancy and give you information about pregnancy tests. After this appointment, you should feel informed and confident. For more information, reach out to an obstetric clinic in your area. What do you think about this? How do you feel about hospitals and obstetricians? And now answer the question, do you want to finally look and feel like you deserve? Lighter, prettier, more self-confident, and excited about every day? In short, you want to enjoy your life and feel confident and happy about the way you look. Yes, your search is finally over. Our best health and beauty products will help you. See the best products in the description. You are the only person who can change your life. I hope this video was helpful to you. And it will help to cope with your problem. What do you think? Write in the comments. Do you like the video? Then like, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Watch other videos on our channel.